Unit 4.
My weekends are fast and exciting. My weekdays are fast and domestic. I have 2 sons, Dylan 7 and Dakota 5. Every morning I get up 1 hour before them at 6 and I go to the gym. I come home and I make breakfast, then I take them to school. On Mondays, I always go shopping. I buy all the food for the week. I often cook dinner in the evenings, but not every day because I don't like cooking. Fortunately, my husband, Don, loves cooking. On Tuesdays and Thursdays, I visit my father. He lives on the next block. Every afternoon, I pick up the kids from school. In the evenings, Don and I usually relax, but sometimes we visit friends. We never go out on Friday evenings because I start work so early on Saturdays.
Where do you work?
In New York.
Do you like your work?
Yes, I do.
Do you relax at weekends?
No, I don't.
Why don't you relax at weekends?
Because I work.
One.
What time do you go to bed?
At 11 o'clock.
2.
Where do you go on holiday?
To Spain or Portugal.
3.
What do you do on Sundays?
I always relax.
4.
When do you do your homework? After dinner.
5.
Who do you live with?
My mother and sisters.
6.
Why do you like your job?
Because it's interesting.
7.
How do you travel to school?
By bus.
8.
Do you go out on Friday evenings?
Yes, I do sometimes.
1.
What does she do on Sundays?
2.
Do you stay home on Thursday evenings?
3.
He lives here.
4.
What do you do on Saturday evenings?
5.
I read a lot.
6.
Why don't you like your job?
1. Al Wheeler from Canada.
We have long, cold winters and short, hot summers. We have a holiday home near a lake. So in summer, I go sailing a lot and I play baseball. But in winter, I often play ice hockey and go ice skating. My favorite season is autumn, or fall, as we say in North America. I love the colors of the trees: red, gold, orange, yellow, and brown.
2. Manuela da Silva from Portugal.
People think it's always warm and sunny in Portugal, but January and February are often cold, wet and grey. I don't like winter. I usually meet friends in restaurants and bars and we chat. Sometimes we go to a Brazilian bar. I love Brazilian music. But then suddenly it's summer, and at weekends we drive to the beach, sunbathe and go swimming. I love summer.
3. Toshi Suzuki from Japan.
I work for Pentax Cameras in the export department. I don't have a lot of free time, but I have one special hobby. Taking photographs, of course. I like taking photographs of flowers, especially in spring. Sometimes after work, I relax in a bar near my office with friends. My friend, Shigeru, likes singing pop songs in the bar. This has a special name, karaoke. I don't sing. I'm too shy.
One.
Hello, everybody. This is my friend Jane from England.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello, Jane.
Hello. Pleased to meet you.
Sit down here, Jane.
Thanks.
Do you like music, Jane?
Yes, I do. Is it American?
No, it's Brazilian jazz. Come and have a drink, Jane.
Two.
Mrs. Jones, how do you do?
How do you do?
Please come in. You are from our office in London, aren't you?
Yes, that's right.
Welcome to Tokyo. Do you like our headquarters here?
Yes, it's very big. How many people work here?
About 6,000 people. Do you want to see our offices?
Three.
What do you want to do today, Mick?
Oh, I don't know. What do you want?
Ah, do you like sailing?
Yes, very much. I sometimes go sailing in Scotland, but not very often.
Okay, so today it's sailing and fishing on the lake.
Fantastic. I love fishing too. We go fishing a lot in Scotland. One.
I'm sorry I'm late. The traffic is bad today.
Don't worry. Come and sit down. We're on page 25. 2.
Excuse me,
Yes?
do you have a dictionary?
I'm sorry, I don't. It's at home.
Oh, that's okay.
3.
It's very hot in here. Can I open the window?
Really? I'm quite cold.
Okay, it doesn't matter.
4.
Excuse me,
Can I help you?
can I have a film for my camera?
How many exposures?
Pardon?
How many exposures?
What does exposures mean?
How many pictures? 24, 36, 40?
Ah, now I understand. 40, please.